Hello everyone. Welcome to the Mina Ninja official YouTube channel. Today you are going to learn the very easy tutorial on how to make a floating bird using a small piece of paper. Just watch, fold and fly. Let's see this short and sweet interesting tutorial. You need a square-shaped paper with 10 cm length in sides and split it into 2 halves like this. Then follow the instructions carefully. Now you can fly your own bird. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.